friends, welcome my channel Accounts with Amit sir. Today we discuss the most important chapter of class 11, that is trial balance. Trial balance. What is trial balance? Trial balance is a statement which is prepared with the help of ledger balance at the end of the financial year to test the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts. Please note down what is trial balance. Trial balance is a statement which is prepared with the help of ledger balances at the end of the financial year to test the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts, that is trial balance. Some errors which are not affected for the agreement of the trial balance, which is errors of omission, errors of commission, errors of principal and compensating errors. There are 4 errors which are not affected for the agreement of trial balance. Please note down: errors of omission, errors of commission, errors of principal and compensating errors. At present, we discuss how trial balance is prepared from a ledger account. I tell you only 3 rules to preparation of trial balance. At first, you focus what is the format of trial balance. At first, you draw column 1, that is name of accounts. Next, LF, ledger folio. After that, debit amount. After that, credit amount. No date column is prepared in a trial balance because trial balance is a statement. No date column is drawn in a trial balance. Instead of date column, you draw a serial number. After that, name of accounts, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. Starting, you draw the trial balance as at 31st March 2024 or maybe 2023 or maybe 2022, which is given in the question paper. Then you write the serial number. I tell you only 3 rules I tell you for preparation of trial balance. Rules number 1. Expenses, losses and assets are debit or debited in TB, that is trial balance. Please note down serial number 1, expenses, losses and assets are debited in trial balance. E.g., example, expenses, purchase, losses, sales return, or it is also known as return inward, and assets, that is land, building, machinery, etc. are debited in trial balance. Rule number 2. Income, the opposite of expense. Income, gain, or you can write profit, the opposite of loss, and liability are credited in trial balance. Income, gain, gain or profit and liability are credited, credit side in trial balance. Example, income. At first you can write the main example of income is sales. Gain or profit, purchase return or return outward, and liability, creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, etc. are credited in trial balance. Rule number 1, expenses, losses and assets are debited in trial balance. Purchase, sales, return or return inward, and assets, example building, machinery, plant, stock, debtors are debited in trial balance. Rule number 2, expenses, opposite of expenses, income, gain or profit and liability are credited in trial balance. Example, sales, the example of income, gain or profit, purchase return or return outward, and liability, creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, outstanding expenses, etc. are credited in trial balance. At the end, rule number 3, closing stock will not comes in trial balance. Closing stock will not comes in trial balance, but if closing stock adjusted with purchase, then it will comes in trial balance. Closing stock will not comes in trial balance, but if closing stock was adjusted with purchase, it will comes in trial balance and posted to the debit side of the trial balance. Okay. Sometimes trial balance, after preparation of trial balance are not agree or do not tally. In that case, we are open a account. This account is called suspense account. It is also known as difference in trial balance. If trial balance are not agree or do not tally, both the side, that is debit side and credit side, a account is open. This account is known as suspense account. This is also known as difference in trial balance. Okay, that is the rule of the preparation of trial balance, which is very important, because without trial balance we cannot prepare final account of sole proprietorship business, because from trial balance we prepare trading account, PL account and balance sheet of any sole proprietorship business, which are also included the syllabus of class 11 CBSC, ICSC and also State Board, West Bengal Board. I hope so you are very affected from this rule and you can start it the trial balance at your home. Okay, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and like this channel for future. Thank you. Okay.